So I'll just run through a couple of tips here for installing the hanging kit. So you'll either have an attachment point with a loop like this, or you'll have the U-shaped thing. Either way, it doesn't matter, it still works the same. So I start with the turnbuckle first, and then I'm putting the looped end on it. So I usually undo the turnbuckle a little bit, but you're going to have to come back and check this, because when you're putting the wire up, it'll twist and turn and it might nearly unspool. So you want to come back and check it. So I put that on, then I attach that like that. Then I run my guide wire out. So if you're running it through other holes and that, you use the other opened end and take it. And then I will show you how you attach the other opened end. One last thing with your turnbuckle, that's kind of where I have it sitting, because when you tighten it, they're going to screw back to the center. And if you start with them in the center, you've got nowhere to go. So you want to give yourself a bit of play. So once you've run it all out, you'll come to the other end and you'll have the opened end. You've got this fast link, so that's got a ratchet system inside it. So what I generally do is I'll put my wire through there, and I just want to pull all my wire up tight so I get an idea of kind of how much excess I've got. So when I do it, I like my loop to sit about here, or it doesn't matter, kind of in that vicinity there, but you want to leave yourself a bit of room to pull it up. So once you get it in this ratchet system, it's in there, and the only way to get it out is to cut the cable. So let's just say you've pulled your cable up and that's kind of where it's going to sit. So I might just put my finger there, and then that's where I know I want to feed it onto. So then I just put that through the ratchet, I pull that up like that, and then I come up to my finger, where my finger is. Then I can put it back through there. Now I'm going to feed it in the other end of the ratchet. So you can pretty well tighten your whole line up simply by using this. So you can pull that through there like that, and if you hold it, that fast link will kind of stay in the one spot, and you can get your wire tensioned right up that way. But make sure you've gone back and checked your turnbuckle, because you don't want it to have undone the whole way. You can get it up pretty tight with this, and then you might just give it a last few turns with the turnbuckle. So if you've got any questions about any of that, let me know.